Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel, Linux Forever. If you've been here before, you might remember a different channel name, or perhaps the videos weren't quite hitting the mark. And yeah, it's been a few years since I last uploaded. Life happens, and COVID really didn't help. But I'm back, ready to change gears and head in a brand new direction. Hopefully some of you will find my new content interesting and decide to stick around. I'm no expert by any stretch of the imagination. I finally made the leap to full-time Linux in 2017. Honestly, I was just completely fed up with Windows. The limited customization options drove me absolutely bananas. Don't even get me started on having to literally reinstall Windows every 6 months. Back in the Windows XP days, that was a nightmare on a dial-up connection. We're talking a day and a half just to get a usable system again. Eventually, I got it down to half a day by manually downloading updates and using a batch script. But it was still a real pain. I didn't actually upgrade Windows until I bought a new laptop that had Windows 8 on it. What a hot piece of garbage that was. At work, I used Windows Vista, but yuck. I don't consider myself a power user, but I do like to delve deeper into how to make things work than the average desktop user. I've done that ever since my first computer that I got as a kid at Christmas. I wanted one of those Atom computers, but what I got was a cheaper one that I could hook up to the family television. And you had to program it manually in BASIC. When I finally kicked the Windows to curb and vowed never to look back, I did a little distro hopping until I found one that suited me. For me, that was Linux Mint with a Cinnamon desktop environment. I still use it as my daily driver, but I'm experimenting with Arch now. And I may eventually switch to Arch. You might be thinking, why another Linux channel? Well, honestly, I find that a lot of the instructional content out there is either outdated or simply not geared towards the true new Linux user. For example, when I recently tried to install Vanilla Arch on my Proxmox server, it's where I keep all of my VMs these days, it just would not cooperate, no matter how many YouTube videos I watched. Yet an Arch-based distro with a Calamares installer, no problem at all. I've since solved my little Vanilla Arch issue, and I'll be showing you exactly how in a future video. My goal is to create content from the perspective of someone who's still learning, making it accessible and relevant for new users who are just starting their Linux journey. I'll be aiming to make these videos both entertaining and informative. And please bear with me on the video quality, as I'm still just getting the hang of all the tools. I'll be listing some of my planned video topics in the comments below, so definitely check that out. And if you found this intro helpful or interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on what's coming up next. Well, farewell for now, and I can't wait to connect with you all.